When the sun scorches the earth and not a drop of water is in sight, who survives? Camel. From the majestic camel to the elusive sandcat, these animals don't just survive the desert, they master it. Backhand index pointing right. Get ready to discover the top 10 most incredible desert survivors and the surprising ways they connect with us. 1. Fennec fox. Tiny fox native to the Sahara Desert. Has large ears to dissipate heat. Nocturnal to avoid daytime heat. Can survive without freestanding water. Burrows in sand to stay cool. Communicates with barking and whining. Diet includes insects, plants, and small mammals. Kept as exotic pets in some countries. Faces threat due to illegal pet trade. Helps control desert rodent populations. 2. Dromedary camel. Known as the ship of the desert. Stores fat in its hump for energy. Can go days without water. Long eyelashes and closable nostrils protect against sandstorms. Domesticated for over 3,000 years. Used for transport, milk, meat, and wool. Vital to desert trade and nomadic life. Can carry 300 plus kg for long distances. Their dung is used as fuel in desert regions. Faces climate challenges due to rising desert heat. 3. Jerboa. Small jumping rodent with kangaroo-like legs. Nocturnal and burrow-dwelling. Absorbs water from food, doesn't need to drink. Excellent hearing to detect predators. Found in North African and Asian deserts. Rarely interacts with humans directly. Helps control insect populations. Sometimes used in scientific studies. Avoids extreme temperatures by hiding in burrows. Conservation status stable but threatened by habitat loss. 4. Sidewinder rattlesnake. Named after its unique sidewinding movement. Lives in the deserts of the southwestern USA. Buries itself in sand to ambush prey. Heat-sensing pits help detect warm-blooded animals. Venomous, but shy and rarely bites humans. Plays an important role in rodent control. Educational use in zoos and desert conservation. Their movement inspires robotics research. Only active during cooler times of day. Highly adapted to sandy terrain. 5. Desert tortoise. Found in the Mojave and Sonoran deserts. Can live up to 80 years. Spends 95% of its life underground. Survives by storing water in its bladder. Feeds on wildflowers, grass, and cactus. Protected species threatened by human development. Human relocation programs in place. Can transmit diseases if not handled properly. Used in desert education programs. Crucial to maintaining desert plant ecosystems. 6. Meerkat. Native to the Kalahari and Namib deserts. Lives in social groups called mobs or gangs. Famous for standing upright to watch for predators. Eats insects, scorpions, small reptiles. Immune to some types of venom. Cooperative behavior studied by scientists. Popular in documentaries and zoos. Their burrows help other animals survive. Often interact with humans in captivity. Face risks from habitat destruction. 7. Thorny devil. Found in Australian deserts. Covered in spiky scales for protection. Capable of absorbing water through its skin. Eats mainly ants, can eat thousands a day. Moves slowly and camouflages easily. Fascinates researchers and tourists. Featured in Australian desert tours. Rarely kept in captivity. Helps regulate ant populations. Faces threats from invasive species. 8. Sand cat. One of the few wild cats adapted to desert life. Thick fur protects against extreme heat and cold. Can survive without water, gets moisture from prey. Solitary and elusive, rarely seen by humans. Native to deserts of North Africa, Middle East, and Central Asia. Hunted illegally in some regions. Sometimes spotted in night vision camera traps. Used in awareness campaigns for desert conservation. Vocal and communicative in captivity. faces threats from habitat degradation. 9. Scorpion. Their movement inspires robotics research. Only active during cooler times of day. Highly adapted to sandy terrain. 10. Gila monster. One of the few venomous lizards in the world. Native to the southwestern U.S. and northern Mexico. Moves slowly but has a strong bite. Stores fat in tail for survival. Feeds on eggs, birds, and small mammals. Venom used in diabetes research, exenatide. Protected under law, illegal to kill or capture. Encounters with humans are rare. Studied for medical breakthroughs. A symbol of desert resilience.